Welcome to Denton, Texas, home of the legendary Peterbilt truck plant. Since 1980, this 600 Renton. Today we're taking you inside Kenworth semi-truck house. Peterbilt and Kenworth share a common parent, PACCAR, a global company based in Bellevue, Washington. Together, these two iconic brands account for a significant share of PACCAR's North American manufacturing network spans multiple facilities. Peterbilt's heavy-duty trucks are built exclusively in Denton, Texas. Today, we're focusing on the heavy-duty manufacturing process. It all begins with raw steel. Two pieces of steel start the process of becoming the frame for a Peterbilt truck. These steel rails will form the backbone of a semi-truck that will haul heavy loads for millions of miles. The frame rails are cut to length, drilled with precision holes, and formed every hole into position. The frame is the truck's skeleton, and it must be incredibly strong. To make the manufacturing process as safe and efficient as possible, employees work on the chassis upside down. A robot then flips the 7,000-pound frame when it's ready for the next stage of production, assembly. The frame now moves down the assembly line, where workers begin installing components. About 500 Tier 1s going to producing one truck, with the trains in the Midwest and the Carolinas. Parts arrive just in time for assembly. Okay, first set of springs is aligned. Copy that. Ready for torque? Torquing now. Specs are 450. Confirmed. Moving to airbags. Fuel tanks are mounted to the frame. Peterbilt uses D-shaped fuel tanks that maximize available fuel volumes. These tanks can hold hundreds of gallons of diesel, giving these trucks the range to cross the country without refueling. Every semi-truck relies on compressed air for braking. Technicians install miles of air lines connecting brake chambers, valves, and reservoirs. These systems must be absolutely leak-free. An air leak could mean brake failure. Meanwhile, engines arrive from PACCAR's own manufacturing facilities. Peterbilt trucks use PACCAR MX-11 and MX-13 engines, or Cummins X15 power plants.
This is the moment the heart meets the skeleton. A crane lifts the 3,000-pound engine and carefully lowers it into the frame.
The transmission is bolted to the back of the engine. Modern trucks use automated manual transmissions with up to 18 gears, all controlled by computers that optimize shifting for fuel economy and performance. The cooling system goes in next. Massive radiators, charge air coolers, and fans that can move thousands of cubic feet of air per minute. These engines generate tremendous heat, especially when pulling heavy loads up grades. While the chassis takes shape, cabs are being assembled in another part of the factory. Kenworth's Renton plant builds the widest of Kenworth models, including aerodynamic T-sig lookings for weight savings and durability. In Sainte-Thérèse, Quebec, PACCAR's 2.1-meter cabs are made on a fully robotic line, where individual robots glide through sequence tests. This automation ensures consistent quality and precision. The Sainte-Thérèse plant is the only PACCAR facility equipped for laser cutting, technology that makes it possible to drill a hole complex designs that would be impossible with traditional methods. Before assembly, cabs go through the paint shop. Kenworth's Renton plant uses electrostatic paint technology that ensures paint is exactly matched to what's being painted. Under the bright lights used in the paint inspection process, workers surface. Last year, Peterbilt's trucks in over 1,200 different colors, including 50 different hues of white. Whatever the customer wants, they get. Inside the cab, workers install the interior. Every truck is customized to customer specifications, sleeper configurations for long-haul drivers, day cabs for local work. This complex wiring harness is the brains behind the modern truck. It connects to the engine, transmission, brakes, lights, and every other system. Modern trucks contain more computing power than early spacecraft. Peterbilt's 7-inch digital display sits behind the steering wheel, placing automotive-like multifunction controls at the driver's fingertips. Unlike the blue backlighting typically out backlighting emotes during night driving, the driver's seat is more than just a place to sit. These air ride seats are engineered for comfort during 11-hour days behind the wheel. They isolate the driver from road vibration and adjust to fit any body type. For long-haul trucks, the sleeper cab becomes a home on wheels. These spaces feature comfortable beds, storage, climate control, and even refrigerators. Drivers spend weeks at a time in these cabs, so comfort is critical. The hood is a distinctive feature of any Peterbilt. The 3-piece composite hood is easy to open, requiring only 15 pulling effort compared to 65 pounds for previous models. A locking feature prevents the hood from inadvertently closing during maintenance. Completed cabs travel by overhead conveyor to the final assembly line, arriving just in time to meet their matching chassis. This just-in-time delivery ensures efficiency and reduces inventory costs. This is the wedding, the moment when cab meets chassis. A cab meets its frame in a carefully choreographed dance of crane and workers. After this moment, the truck begins to look like a complete vehicle. With the cab in position, workers secure it with dozens of bolts. Each connection is torqued to exact specifications using DC electric tools that monitor torque and ensure quality. This technology reduces noise exposure and ergonomic issues for workers. Now the truck's nervous system is connected. Wiring harnesses from the cab plug into the chassis, linking the driver's controls to the engine, transmission, and every other system. A single loose connection can cause problems down the road. A precision machine attaches the truck's lug nuts simultaneously. Peterbilt will put on whatever tires the customer wants, different brands, tread patterns for specific applications. Each wheel assembly is carefully balanced. The bumper goes on next. Peterbilt's three-piece bumper design allows only the damaged section to be changed in the event of a breakage. This saves fleet owners money on repairs and reduces downtime. The headlight design allows a bulb to be changed in less than 5 minutes. This attention to serviceability means less downtime for drivers and lower maintenance costs for fleets. The front collision radar is protected in the bumper to avoid having to recalibrate it in the event of a minor collision. This is one of many advanced safety features on modern trucks, including collision warning, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. The mirrors are mounted on the cab instead of the doors to ensure greater long-term stability. This means they stay aligned even after years of door opening and closing, and they're less likely to vibrate at highway speeds. To improve process capability, Kenworth has introduced automated fluid fill for the specific quantities required by each chassis. This ensures exactly the right amount of coolant, oil, and diesel exhaust fluid, reducing waste and ensuring proper operation. Then comes the moment the truck comes alive, the first engine start. The rumble of a big diesel fills the factory as all systems power on. After weeks of assembly, the truck finally has a heartbeat. Every truck undergoes extensive electronic testing. Technicians connect laptops and verify that every sensor, every actuator, every electronic system functions perfectly. In a modern truck, there are hundreds of electronic systems to check. A completed truck gets a thorough bath to check for leaks. High-pressure water sprays from every angle, simulating the heaviest rainstorm imaginable. If even a single drop finds its way inside, the truck goes back for seal adjustments. Every Peterbilt truck undergoes simulated road tests before leaving Denton. On rolling roads, the truck is put through its paces, acceleration, braking, and systems checks, all while standing still. Fasteners secure, no looseness here.
Hoses intact, no leaks visible. Checking the front bumper alignment, paint is uniform, no imperfections.
All clear, logging the pass. In November 2022, Peterbilt reached an incredible milestone. The 750,000th truck assembled at the Denton employees to maintain superior production quality. The future of trucking is electric. Kenworth's T680E is a battery-powered Class 8 vehicle featuring 6 kilowatt-hour battery and an average operating range of 150 miles. It's made on the same assembly line as diesel-powered models in Renton, Washington. Building the T680E alongside traditional models required production adjustments. The non-powered unit is built online, while the BEV powertrain is the T680E have power control unit in place of a diesel engine. From the assembly line, completed trucks roll out to the holding yard. On a busy day, the Denton plant lifts the trucks. They access about 8 hours until the final product rolls out the door. From Texas, Washington, and Ohio, these trucks begin their journey to dealers across America. Some will go to fleet operators, others to owner-operators who will spend their working lives behind the wheel. For many owner-operators, buying a new truck is a dream come true. These trucks cost well into 6 figures, but for drivers who spend their lives on the road, it's worth it. A Peterbilt isn't just a truck, it's a statement. This is my new Peterbilt. I'm so proud of her. Drivers form emotional connections with these trucks. They name them, customize them, and take pride in keeping them looking beautiful for millions of miles. When that big rig finally hits the highway, it's the culmination of an incredible journey. From raw steel in Texas to the open road, these trucks will haul America's fountains of diesel. It takes thousands of skilled workers to build these trucks. From the average tenure of Peterbilt employees is impressive, with the company investing heavily in training from entry-level to seasoned experience.
From the first Peterbilt in 1939 to the electric trucks of tomorrow, American semi-trucks have shaped our economy and our culture. They're built by American workers in Texas, Washington, and Ohio, using parts from hundreds of American suppliers. They haul our food, our clothes, our furniture, everything that makes modern life possible. Every time you see a Peterbilt or Kenworth on the highway, remember the journey it took to get there. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to All Factory World for more incredible manufacturing documentaries.